Today's video is going to be a little bit different from usual. I mentioned that I wanted to let you guys in a little bit more, especially when I get to do amazing things such as stay in this amazing luxury high-rise apartment in London. I want to say a huge thank you to the team over at Uncle for letting me stay in this beautiful building. They didn't actually ask me to make this video. I was just really excited to share this experience because I actually manifested it. And I'm sure you guys are tired of hearing people talking about manifesting, but for those of you who aren't, do let me know in the comments down below if you want me to do a live stream sharing how I managed to do that, the process, and everything like that. And if the energy already feels right, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the like button. But without further ado, let's get into this tour of this amazing building. Come in, don't be shy. This is the front door, and the first area, door didn't close. Okay, so the first area I want to show you guys is the kitchen, which is actually a really good size for a one-bedroom apartment. So over here we've got your usuals, got a lovely sink. It's got two little areas. We love that, okay? If you have to wash dishes, you know the struggle. And then we've even got Nigella over here, queen of the microwave. And speaking of microwaves, we've got inbuilt appliances. So if you come around here, you'll see that there's an inbuilt microwave, and they're all Siemens products. I really hope I'm saying the brand name right. Siemens. They've also got the stove, which is the same brand. It's all an induction hob. We've also got the oven down here, all the same brand, all Siemens. And then we've got some secret stuff in the cupboards. So much cupboard space, but if we back it up a little bit, we've got a fridge round here. See if you can come round. See, huge fridge. We've got some fruits because healthy lifestyle, obviously. And then down here, you've also got a dishwasher, also Siemens as well. So all the same brand that does everything in the kitchen. It's actually bigger than my kitchen. It feels bigger. I'm pretty sure it is bigger. So yeah, I can't lie, I'm quite jealous of the dishwasher because I really miss having a dishwasher. But let's go to the rest of the apartment. So you probably can't see me very well because I'm very dark right now, because back there we've got an amazing view. But before we get to the view, I'm gonna show you guys some of the other bits. And we're right here into the bathroom, but it's a really nice size as well. As you can hear, it's very echoey, and you've got a nice bathtub here, toilet, sink, and what I love is all of this. You've got storage and these mirrors as well. So much storage. Love this, super relaxing. It feels like you're in a spa. It's beautiful. So once you close that door, we come over here to where the magic happens. I actually haven't tested the bed yet. Wait, this is gonna be so unflattering, but I'm gonna do it anyway. And that's actually so comfy. Sorry. Anyway, so everything does come furnished. Things like the bed and the furnishings really matter. So everything here is supplied by made.com. So it's really beautiful furnishings, really beautiful pieces. So we've got the bed here, you've got bedside table. You can get unfurnished units here, but I love a good furnished place. It just takes the stress away. And then come over here. Wow, whoa. Okay, I hadn't opened that up yet, so I didn't know that lights come on. Is it gonna do it again? Does it turn off? Okay, no, but the light just turned on. This is such a good little space. I wish I had this in my flat because it's just so useful having an inbuilt area where you can just put all your clothes instead of having to like figure out different alternatives. If I wasn't so thick, I could fit in there, but there's a lot of space, so you get it. Okay, I'm not gonna be in the same shot because I probably am just a silhouette right now, but look at the view. Look at the beautiful view across London. Like, that is insane. I was just saying that even if you went to like the London Eye, or you went to I don't know, the Shard, wherever. I can't actually see the Shard. Oh, there she is. She's around the corner. Even if you go to any of those places, the view is amazing, but then you miss out on seeing the building that you're in. So it's cool being able to see a view of like all the iconic places in London and getting a view of them all. We've got St. Paul's, we've got Big Ben, the cheese grater. We'll go around, I'll show you. Come on. So now time to show you the living space. So one area I didn't get to show you guys is just the entrance area. I'm trying to hide all the bags on the floor, which are a mess behind me. But we've got this beautiful entrance area. They've just dressed it with a little bookshelf area, big window, perfect selfie area. You know I'm all about my selfie. Oh, I said window and I meant this is a mirror. This is a big mirror. It's a perfect selfie mirror, so you can take your selfies, feel real cute. Oh, and it's one of those mirrors that makes you a little bit more snatched than you really are, so I love that. I think we can twist around as well, just so I can show you this little cupboard, which is such a lifesaver. So they've got a washing machine. Is it a washing machine or is it a dryer? Is there a washing machine in there? Or is this a dryer? Oh, it's a washer dryer. It's all in one. This is amazing. I love this because I hate having to like hang up all my clothes to dry. It just takes up so much space because you have to do laundry all the time. So you have laundry everywhere all the time. So I love this. I wish I had this. Oh, and that was a Siemens washer dryer as well. So that's really good. And then, okay, so over here they've dressed a beautiful dining table as well, which I just think is really lovely actually. I'm not one to always sit at the dining table, but I think I would sit at this one. And it also doubles up as a working space, I think, so you don't have to worry about having a desk. But speaking of the desk, there is a desk over here. So we've got a beautiful desk area here as well. I just love all the bits that they've got from made.com. I just think it's beautiful. I'm just gonna hide some card details. Make sure no one can see that. And then over here, we have got the beautiful seating area. There's a beautiful sofa, another one over here, TV. Also this, guys, there are so many home systems these days that I don't know which is which. So I was trying to figure out and I kept going, hey Google. And then I was like, okay, no, Alexa. And then I said, I went to speak to Siri on my phone and this one answered. Hey Siri, play music.
Sorry, I'm unable to create a radio station from that.
Well, that's actually really cool. Got the TV. Yeah, it's just really cool area. And it's so big. Like this living area is so big. You can entertain guests now that we're allowed to do that. And I'm actually kind of falling in love with this place because I was looking at the pictures, and because I have a duplex, I'm so used to having that split level space. So it feels like I have a lot more space, but I kind of like this like one floor, so much space kind of vibe. Guys, I don't know what's happening. Anyway, let's go outside. Let's go outside. Okay, so this is a really lovely balcony area. I have been wanting a balcony for the longest time, so this is just, it's amazing. But I'm realizing I might be a little bit scared of heights, I'm not gonna lie. But we've got a lovely table and chairs here, so you can sit out here, but the view, I don't even need to talk, like just look at the view out here. It's amazing, like you can see everything here in London. It's insane. I'm just adjusting my bra, aren't I? So yeah, that is pretty much the whole apartment. So this is a 1-bed apartment. They do also have a 2-bedroom one, but it's absolutely gorgeous. It's beautiful, and I feel like I'm never gonna leave. I think I'm gonna move in now. So this isn't where it ends. There's so many other spaces within this building that you can use. So I'm gonna take you guys up to the Sky Lounge. There's also a gym, so I'll show you those bits as well. So let's go. Okay, so we are now up in the Sky Lounge. So this is a new area where all the residents can come up and hang out and all that good stuff. Again, it's got an amazing view, but this time this is a 360 view because this whole Sky Lounge goes all the way around. So I'll take you on a walk through so you can see there's so many seating areas. There's places where you can work because you can plug in all your bits and pieces. It's super quiet. Apparently not many people use this. So if you're watching this and you live here, make sure you use this area because I would love a space like this. But as you can see, beautiful views. So you can see this from the apartment that we're in. But all of this is stuff that you can't see. So it's cool that you have a 360 view. So you can just have a bunch of friends over here, chill out, have a good time. If you want to have a real good time, let me show you something that will help. So over here is a little bar area. So this is a place where you can bring your own drinks and your bottles and you can serve drinks to your friends, have a nice little social time up here in the Sky Lounge. So this is super cute. It'd be nice to have a drink right now. Thank you. And in here is almost like a little kitchen area. So you've got tables where you can sit and eat, but also this area where you've got those Siemens appliances like the microwave and stuff. But yeah, you can prepare whatever you like here. And we're back to where we started. So this is a beautiful place to come and hang out. I would just be here all the time if I lived here, but it's really lovely and the view really makes it. So I think it's time to head to the gym. Isn't it weird? I'm all dressed up and now I'm about to hit the gym, but it's all right. That's how we do. Okay, so we're in the gym now, so come in. So it was actually kind of busy, so I just had to wait for everyone to leave. So I'm gonna do this real quick just in case someone wants to come in and use the gym. So over here, you've got various different equipment that you can use, foam rollers, all kinds of stuff, medicine balls, got exercise balls. And then over here, it's actually one of my favorite areas. You guys know I love to run, so we've got some running machines, which are called treadmills, running machines. And then we come around here and we've also got some cable machines. So we've got some upper body stuff and also some lower body stuff, really good. And over here we've got more cardio. There's a lot of cardio stuff, which is really good. So there's lots of space for people to come and get their steps in, get their heart rate up, which we love. And then the coolest bit that they've got actually is they've got some Peloton bikes now. Am I saying that right? Peloton. But they've got some Peloton bikes here, so you can set it up, have a little class to yourself, which is really cool. So I'm definitely gonna be testing that out. And then over here, we've got more stuff going on, you know, things in the gym. Over here, we've got a punching bag. I used to do Muay Thai, so I tried to convince myself that I'm really good at boxing and punching stuff. So yeah, this is the whole gym. I had to rush it because just in case someone does come in, because it does seem like a pretty popular place for people to come, get active. So I think it's time for me to get a workout in properly. I've just been working out lightly, but now I'm gonna get a workout in. Let's do this. And that was the view at night, which was absolutely breathtaking. I felt so grateful and present and calm in this moment. It was honestly amazing. So I just want to say a huge thank you to Uncle for letting me stay at this beautiful apartment. And I want to say a huge thank you to you for watching the video this far and sending me your positive energy. I want to send that positive energy right back to you. I hope you're doing well, and I want to remind you that you are amazing and you deserve everything your heart wishes for and more. Okay, I'll stop being corny now, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.